Hello students of class 8, welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School, and this video is for your biology, and the chapter what I am continuing today is the health and hygiene. This video is part 11. In the last video we discussed about the vaccination. Today we will start with the immunization. So first we are going to learn what is the definition of the immunization. So what is it? Like immunization is the process by which a person is made resistant or immune against a particular disease by administering a vaccine. So it is the condition of a person or it is the program of somewhere, the immunization by which it is a process by which a person became the resistant from certain disease. Okay. So what are the principles of the immunization? If a pathogen enters the body, the immune system will recognize it and respond against it. Secondly, for each type of pathogen, the immune system produces cells that are specific for the particular pathogen. These cells attack the pathogen entering the body. Thirdly, in the future, if the same pathogen or its close relative enters the body, the immune system recognizes it and responds with greater vigor. Fourthly, thereby it eliminates the second or subsequent infection even more quickly than the first time. And finally, this cycle goes on each time the pathogen enters the body. So it is the first main thing. So now we are going to learn what are the differences between the immunization and the vaccination. Vaccination and immunization. Okay. So what is the vaccination? It is administration of weakened or inactive pathogen to stimulate immune system, or immunization. It is the process by which a person is made resistant against a particular disease by administering the vaccine. Okay. So also the vaccination can be taken orally or by injection. It is also can be taken orally or by injection. Now secondly, the vaccination, it is the process of administering vaccine or a vaccine may not always guarantee the immunity. It is the main thing. It may not guarantee immunity. That we can only help our immunity by the vaccine, but it is not guaranteed. Okay, but the immunization is, it is the process of making a person immune. Like in the immunization, the person should be immune from the disease, and it is guaranteed. It is the main differences among them. So next, the cleanliness and the hygiene is one more important thing. Like many diseases can be avoided by maintaining cleanliness and the hygiene within and around yourself, and by taking simple precautions as follows. What are they? Do not eat stale or uncovered food exposed to flies, as they contaminate food and transmit disease. Secondly, always boil or filter water before drinking. Store drinking water in a clean container with a cover. Eat a balanced diet or do regular physical exercise. Take care of personal hygiene, bath regularly, and wash hands frequently, especially before and after your meal. It is very necessary to wash your hands before meal, but sometimes we are in very hurry. When we are very hungry, we are in hurry that we have to just take the food, and in the outside of our house, when we are having the street foods, we forget about washing the hands, and it is very bad. We have to maintain this properly. A person suffering from contagious diseases such as cold should cover her or his mouth and nose while sneezing. Never spit in public places. Now we can also use the mask. We are worried about the COVID-19 also, so we always use mask. Why? In this way we can actually protect ourselves from the droplets from any infectious person. Keep our surroundings clean and always dispose of garbage in covered bins. Do not allow water to collect near your house, and stagnant water promotes breeding of mosquitoes. In this rainy season, in many of the places, the water becomes stagnant, and it can make breeding. It can be the proper way to breed the mosquitoes, and they can actually carry many of the dangerous diseases, as you know. Follow regular immunization schedule for common disease and avoid infections. Okay, so these are the paths by which we can have the cleanliness and make ourselves protected from those diseases. In the next video, we will start with the unhealthy habits and the lifestyle. Till then,